Okay, so we have started in the previous lecture, that is theory related to Kirchhoff's current law, then Kirchhoff's voltage law, statement of Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law, then how it can be applied while solving a problem. In that we have already taken two problems. Again, what is meant by mesh analysis, what is meant by node analysis, you people already know. So by applying either mesh analysis, node analysis, or it may be KVL, KCL, we just find out the solution of the given problem. Okay, so then I have given one problem to homework also. Okay, how many students solve this problem? Tell me what is the answer. Power supplied by
250 watt.
250 watt. Okay, how many students got 250 watt? Hello. Please put your answer in chat box, all of you. Put your answer in the chat box. Okay, so answer of given problem, that is the power supplied by a 25 volt source. In the figure shown below, it is 250 watt. So the answer given by GATE examination, that is, see here the answer, it is in the range of 148 to 252. Okay, so that means in between that, म्हणजे याच्यामधलं जे काय आन्सर येईल, either 240 it is 248 it is also correct answer, 248.5 it is also correct answer, 250 is correct answer. So in between this 248 to 252, it is the correct answer for given problem. Okay, now we will see the next one problem. All of you write this problem. In the given circuit, the current supplied by the battery, it is in the ampere. All of you write the current supplied by the battery in ampere, we want to find out. Simple question. Hello, or लिहून झाला का? Hello, please give me reply. Or please give me reply. Or
yes sir.
okay, so see, we want to find out the current supplied by the battery. Question is that find out the current supplied by the battery. It is also GATE question. So see, first of all, read the question carefully. That is, question is given the current supplied by the battery, it is in ampere. So see here, battery of having an 1 volt, and the current supplied by battery is nothing but this current flowing from that battery. It is nothing but I1. So understand the question. We want to find out the value of I1. आपल्याला I1 ची value find करायची आहे. So I1 it is equals to question mark. Now what is to be given? See here. Here it is 1 volt voltage source is given. Here it is 1 ohm resistor. Then here it is 1 ohm resistor. Again here it is 1 ohm resistor. Now see, here it is one of the dependent sources there. Okay, here it is one of the dependent sources there. So this dependent source, it is nothing but which one dependent source? कोणता dependent source आहे हा?
Voltage depends current source.
Which one?
Voltage dependent current source.
Voltage dependent current source. बघा तुम्ही जो सोर्स सांगितला हा सोर्स दिलेला आहे. So first of all understand the source. In that the direction is given. So direction दिले म्हणल्यानंतर कोणता सोर्स आहे?
Current source.
करंट सोर्स आहे. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये डिरेक्शन दिले, जर प्लस मायनस दिलेलं असतं तर तो व्होल्टेज सोर्स झाला असता, बरोबर. सो इट इज अन करंट सोर्स. नाव सी द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस करंट सोर्स. या करंट सोर्सची व्हॅल्यू कशावरती डिपेंड आहे? कशावरती डिपेंड आहे?
Voltage.
व्होल्टेज वरती. हा, याची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे ऑलरेडी. सो इट इज नथिंग बट I2.
Current
I2.
dependent.
याची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. सो इट इज नथिंग बट I2. म्हणजे या करंट सोर्सची व्हॅल्यू I2 करंट वरती डिपेंड आहे. वेअर इट इज I2 करंट? I2 करंट इज हियर. Okay, so the value of this current source, it is depends upon another branch current, that is I2. So this source is which one source?
Current depending current source.
Current dependent current source, or we can call it as a current controlled current source. Okay, current controlled current source म्हणजे या current source ची व्हॅल्यू एका दुसऱ्या ब्रांच मधल्या करंट वरती डिपेंड आहे. सो वी कॅन कॉल इट ॲज अ करंट कंट्रोल्ड करंट सोर्स और करंट डिपेंडंट करंट सोर्स. म्हणजे या करंट सोर्सची व्हॅल्यू दुसऱ्या ब्रांचच्या करंट वरती डिपेंड आहे. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज करंट डिपेंडंट करंट सोर्स और करंट कंट्रोल्ड करंट सोर्स. सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा सोर्स अंडरस्टँड करून घ्या, बिकॉज सोर्स अंडरस्टँड केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करता येईल. नाव सी हियर. नाव this current here it is, this branch current is nothing but I1, this current is nothing but I2. Already direction is also given, so same choose the direction, assign the current in each loop. So here it is current flowing from this is nothing but I1 in this direction, current flowing from this is nothing but I2, it is in this direction. या direction न flow होतोय current I2. Now see, either apply KVL or it may be KCL. Either applying KVL or it may be KCL, we find out the value of this current. So see, here it is one dependent source. इथे एक dependent source आहे. In other side there are no any source. So you just apply super mesh analysis. Super mesh analysis use करता येते का इथं? Because in between two meshes ही आणि या दोन मेशच्या मध्ये एक current source आहे. So it is dependent source, but it is current source. So see, just assign the direction. So direction is nothing but here it is clockwise direction, here it is clockwise direction. दोन्ही पण clockwise आहेत आणि याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट हा डाउनवर्ड फ्लो होतोय. ओके, सो सी, सो डाउनवर्ड करंट इज नथिंग बट I1 minus I2, I1 minus I2, it is equals to I2, right? I1 minus I2, the value of this dependent source is nothing but I2. I1 minus I2, it is equals to I2. So it becomes I1 ha minus I2 left hand side la shift kela, so it becomes, sorry, plus I2 left hand side la shift kela, it becomes minus I2. So it nothing but minus 2I2, it is equals to 0. So this is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now apply KVL to the super mesh loop. KVL अप्लाय करा सुपर मेश लूपला. सो इट बिकम्स निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह. म्हणजे हे जे टोटल असेल ते सुपर मेश लूप. सो फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस पॉइंट इट इज नथिंग बट इट इज द सुपर मेश लूप. सो अप्लाय KVL टू द टॉप सुपर मेश लूप. सुपर मेश लूपला KVL अप्लाय करा. दॅट इज अप्लाय KVL टू सुपर मेश लूप. Apply KVL to the super mesh loop. So just apply the KVL, minus terminal to the plus terminal, so it becomes plus 1 minus 1 into I1, so it becomes I1, then minus 1 into I2 is nothing but I2, then I2 again here minus I2, it is equals to 0. Okay, so see, 1 minus I1, 1 minus I1 minus 2, 1 minus I1 minus 2 I2. It is equals to 0. So shift this term, that is minus I1 and minus 2 I2, it is in the right hand side. So the equation becomes I1 plus I2, I1 plus 2 I2, it is equals to 1. So this is equation second. Equation second, by solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of current I1 and I2. I1 आणि I2 ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. टेल मी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ I1 and I2 सांगा. By solving this equation 1 and equation 2, tell me the answer. Solve these two simultaneous equation and tell the answer.
I1 is equal to 0.5 ampere, I2 is equal to 0.25 ampere.
I1 is equals to 0.5, 0.5 no, and I2 is equals to
0.25.
0.25. Okay, so see, I1 is equals to 0.5 ampere and I2 is equals to 0.25 ampere. So our question is that in the network, in the given circuit, the current supplied by the battery, that is 1 volt battery na supply kella current is nothing but I1. So we can write the answer, that is value of I1, it is equals to 0.5 ampere. Okay, so here it is. This is not a negative marking question. Okay, याला negative marking नसतं. जो question solve करायला दिले ज्याला पर्याय असतील, that means multiple choice question. So where choice is given, then there are negative marking. Okay, so see, this is a 0.5 ampere. It is the current supplied by the battery. Okay, getting? समजलंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will take the next question. You just try to solve. Okay. Take this question. In the circuit shown below, the node voltage VA is. We want to calculate the node voltage VA. All of you try to solve. Write the network and try to solve. This is also great question. झालं का? लिहून झाला का question? In the circuit shown in figure below, the node voltage VA is dash dash volt. We want to calculate the value of node voltage VA. हॅलो और झालं का लिहून?
Yes, sir.
ओके. ट्राय करा तुम्ही. read the question carefully. That is in the circuit shown in figure below. The node voltage VA, it is in volt, we want to calculate. So see, A terminal or A point is given, that is nodal point. Here it is, we represent VA. That is voltage across this nodal point. That is, here it is, we want to apply the nodal analysis and we want to find out the value of VA. Okay, so all of you try to solve and tell me the answer. All of you try. Hello. Hello. Or सॉल्व करून झालं का? प्लीज गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय.
Yes,
And
sir.
node analysis. Yes.
11.43 volt.
11.43 volt VA na. Okay.
हाँ,
So
sir.
I think it is correct answer. I will show you answer. Yes. 11.25 to 11.50. Answer, it is in between 11.25 to 11.50. So it is the correct answer. How many students? Is there anyone, another one got this answer? आणखी कोणी कॅल्क्युलेट केले का? Hello. It's very simple. Just you want to apply the nodal analysis. Anyone? Can I solve? Hello. Can I solve? Please give me reply. Can I solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, I think some students solving, they are giving answer. So 11.42, it is also correct answer. Now see, we will solve here. See here, question in the circuit below. Find out the node voltage VA. We want to find out the value of node voltage VA. So see here, the A is nodal point is given. We just represent the VA here. Okay. Now see what is given. Here it is one of the current. It can be represented, that is current I1. Then this 5 ohm resistor. Here it is one of the 10 volt voltage source. Which one dependent source is there? हा कोणता वो dependent source है? Hello.
Current dependent voltage source.
Current dependent voltage source. Okay, right? That is current dependent voltage source. करंट वरती डिपेंड्स असणारा म्हणजे या ब्रांच मधून फ्लो होणारा जो करंट असेल, या करंट वरती हा सोर्स डिपेंड आहे. सो इट इज नथिंग बट करंट डिपेंडंट voltage source, or we can call it as a current controlled voltage source, CCVS. Okay, current controlled voltage source. Okay, now see, just assign the direction and apply KCL to the top node. Just assign the direction. Here it is, direction is given, this direction is given, this direction is also incoming. Just assign this direction and this one direction. This one direction is downward direction. Now see, apply the KCL to the top node VA. Okay, apply KCL. Apply KCL to node VA. Apply KCL to node VA. Okay, VA node la KCL apply kara. Sorry, V suffix capital A. Apply KCL to the top node VA. Just apply KCL. Incoming is equals to outgoing, or all the current meeting at a junction point. Junction point, it is equals to 0. Okay, all the current meeting at a junction point, it is equals to 0. कोणताही लिहा, or incoming is equals to outgoing. Okay, see, we will apply the KCL. See here, the KCL, it is nothing but KCL. This current is outgoing, this current is incoming. So incoming is equals to outgoing. So this one only is incoming, this outgoing, this one outgoing, this one outgoing. So see, here it is 5, it is incoming current. So 5, it is equals to outgoing current, and write in the form of V by R. Okay, write in the form of V by R, that is VA divided by 5 for this one, yeah, current साठी. Then VA divided by 5 plus VA for this one current, that is I1 current sati VA minus 10 divided by 5 plus 5, it is nothing but 10. Okay, VA minus 10 divided by 10. Now see here the direction of this dependent source is nothing but negative to positive. ओके, ज्या वेळेस आपण पॉझिटिव्ह टू नेगेटिव्ह असतो त्यावेळेस आपण काय लिहितोय, VA मायनस दिस वन लिहितो. सो हियर डिरेक्शन इज रिव्हर्स, सो इट बिकम्स VA plus 10 I1 plus 10 I1 divided by VA plus 10 I1 divided by 5. Okay, VA plus 10 I1 divided by 5. Now see, first of all calculate the value of I1. I1 ची value calculate करून घ्या. So I1 it is equals to, write in the form of V, that is VA minus 10 divided by 10. So this is one equation. Now put the value of I1 in here. I1 च्या value I1 च्या ठिकाणी value put करा. So it becomes 5 VA divided by 5 VA divided by 5 plus VA minus 10 divided by 10, then plus VA divided by 5. I will separate this, plus VA divided by 5 plus 5 tenza, that is 2 into I1. 2 into I1, just I will put here VA minus 10 divided by 10. Okay, so see, do the multiplication of 2 in the bracket, that is VA divided by 5 plus VA divided by 10. I will again here separate also, then minus 10 divided by 10 is nothing but 1 plus VA divided by 5 plus 2 VA divided by 10 minus 10 into 2. 10 into 2 is nothing but 20 divided by 10. Okay, just simplify this. करा simplification. याचं बघा काय येते. Take VA common. All VA take nearer, or it may be common. So it becomes left hand side la 5. It is equals to, I will rub this one. Okay, see, on LHS side, that is 5, it is equals to what is the remaining? See here, VA divided by 5 plus VA divided by 5 plus VA divided by 5, again 2 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10 is nothing but 1 by 5 plus VA divided by 5 plus VA divided by 5. Now remaining term, that is minus 1. Again minus 1 is left. Then 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10, it is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so it becomes minus 1 minus 2, it becomes minus 3. Okay, so this minus 3, it can be shifted to the left hand side, so it becomes plus 3. That is 5 plus 3, it is nothing but 8. It is equals to, so all remains same. Denominator of this term, it is remains same, that is 5. So just do the addition of numerator, that is 4 VA divided by 4 VA divided by 5, 4 VA divided by 5. So it becomes 4 VA divided by 5. So just do that one. Minus 2, here it is plus 1 or minus 1. 4 VA divided by 5. Just do the cross multiplication. 4 by 5. 4 by 5 किती येते?
.8.
4 by 5, 0.8. So 0.8 is here. Is there any mistake in the plus minus? What is the answer? 0.8. 8 divided by 0.8. 8 divided by 0.8. It becomes 10. 10 येते का answer? Hello. Is there any mistake in the sign? What is the wrong? Wrong काय झालं? कोणी सॉल्व केलं होतं? रॉंग काहीतरी झालं याच्यामध्ये, प्लस का मायनस? 10 divided by. We will solve once again. Just 1 minute. See here, apply KVL, that is VA. So incoming is equals to outgoing. All other are outgoing. This one is incoming. 5. It is equals to 5. It is equals to VA divided by 5. Then plus VA minus 10 divided by 5 plus 5, it becomes 10. VA minus 10 divided by 10, then plus VA minus into minus, it becomes plus 10 I1 divided by 5. So first of all, calculate the I1. I1 is equals to I1. It is equals to VA minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 5. Sorry, 10. See here, VA divided by 5 plus here it is VA divided by 10. We have taken, I think, VA divided by 5. VA divided by 5 घेतलं त्याच्यामुळे wrong झालं. So VA divided by 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is nothing but 1 plus put the value of I1. I1 ची value put करा. So it becomes VA. I will separate this. VA divided by 5. VA divided by 5 plus 10 in bracket VA minus 10. VA minus 10 divided by 10.